Hey everyone, welcome back to FixGenie. In this video, I'll show you how to delete files on a Lenovo laptop. Option 1. First, open File Explorer. Now, go to the folder where your file is saved. Click once to select the file you want to delete. Then, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Or you can right-click the file and select Delete. The file will be moved to the recycle bin, where you can restore it later if needed. Option 2. If you want to delete the file permanently without sending it to the recycle bin, select the file and press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes, and the file will be permanently deleted. That's it. That's how you can delete files on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.